Woo! Good Monday afternoon from Magic Kingdom. Maddie's now riding roller coasters. Woohoo! So first up is Barnstormer, and we'll go from there. Are you excited?
Yes.
Oh no, Barnstormer's 40 minutes. Maybe we'll get to see Tron go by. I see some guys up there. Tron is looking good. What are you doing? What? We're almost there. What row did we get? 1.
And mine's behind us.
Huh?
Mine's behind us.
Row number 1, baby. Woohoo!
Oh my God.
Oh, look at that hill. Oh! You see Mom? Is she back there?
Mom, look.
There she is.
Hold on, Dad. Hold on to it. I think we're just gonna head to Mine Train now.
Heading to Mine Train? Barnstormer's a fun ride, right? Yeah, but it's too short.
Let's do 2 laps.
2 laps.
Add something.
2 laps for sure. Manny's in line right now, getting 2 Mickey pretzels and cheese. Yum. And probably a churro and some soda. We've made our way into Big Top Souvenir for some Mickey pretzels. Pretzels are done. Where to?
Oh, Mine Train.
Tigger! It is a 55-minute wait for Pooh. 55 minutes. Standby 125 minutes. Ouch. We do have a lightning lane pass. Woohoo! Maddie's never rode it during the day. It's so quiet.
I know. It kind of surprises me how quiet it is.
Yeah.
Oh, empty it is.
125-minute wait. I don't see anybody in there. Man, I've had to stand there before. That's a long wait. We got row 1 and 2 again. How crazy is that? What row?
1! What the heck?
Row 1 again.
Oh my God, I'm gonna put the handlebar as far as it can go. Oh my God.
You ready? Here we go. Oh, whoa.
really put my hands up on that hill.
What do you think of it anytime?
Oh, it's so fun.
So what do you think of it in the day?
I like it better at night.
You like it better at night?
It's more relaxing at night.
It's more relaxing at night?
I was scared going up that thing. I was like, oh god.
You're trying to get Fast Pass for what?
Big Thunder?
Big Thunder? We have 45 minutes until Big Thunder. So we're just going to slowly make our way over there. This part of the park is always so busy. What's Peter Pan? 105 minutes for Peter Pan. Small World's 45 minutes.
That's a busy day.
Rapunzel's Tower.
20 more minutes.
Let down your hair.
20 more minutes.
20 more minutes? Super busy. Let's see what the damage is. Oh, there's the line. Is that the lightning lane? Oh, it's solid 65 minutes. That's unfortunate. I'm gonna head over into Minto Mori, the best store on property.
I like this one. Oh, it's the Mickey.
That's cool. How much is that?
They're 30, I think. 35.
35. Ooh. How much? How much? $24.99. What is that? Oh.
Kiss the bride.
Kiss the bride.
Okay.
What's the damage? 49. Actually, I thought it'd be more than that. What are you doing? What are you holding that for? You're not getting that. Hey. 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 That's cool. Look at this puzzle from inside the ride. This puzzle, oh, it's 4 puzzles, 35 bucks. Just hanging out on the deck of Memento Mori. Look at this. It is a busy day in Magic Kingdom. Country bears are out, waving high. For those of you that don't know, Splash ends on January 23rd. Forever. We've made it to Big Thunder. Maddie's never rode it before. You excited?
No. That's my favorite roller coaster.
Also, we have my elf. I don't know. I dropped him.
Lightning lane's little backed up, not too bad. It's Maddie's first time on Big Thunder. She's super nervous, but she's also super excited. That's a number 1. We got first row again for the 3rd roller coaster. Here we go. Oh, it's so dark. Oh. How cool is that? There we go. Not bad. It stopped it. There we go. See the goat? What's that?
Ooh.
What did you think?
It was scary.
Maddie was, you could see it. Maddie's clutching her chest from laughing so hard. What do you give it? 2 thumbs up? Do you want to ride it again?
Yeah.
Yeah. We got Pirates sitting at a 45-minute wait. Not terrible. It's definitely still very packed feeling in here. I don't know if you can see all the Christmas lights up in the trees for the Jungle Cruise. It's pretty cool. So we rode, what did we ride?
We rode Barnstormer, Mine Train, and Big Thunder.
We got front row on all 3.
Yeah.
That was awesome, right?
Yeah.
Oh, fun times.
Yes.
Okay, till next time.
Bye.